Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be making chicken suya. So to start my chicken suya, of course I have my chicken. I want to start with my board. I want to add some vegetable oil so that my chicken can be easy to work with. Next, I want to start marinating my chicken. Here are my chicken, though I used it's a full chicken anyway, so I used some part of it the other time. So this is just the leftover that I want to use. First, I would like to go in with my to marinate my chicken. I need to go in with salt. Just sprinkle salt around it. Half teaspoon of salt. Then curry powder. Flip over. Add some curry powder. You want every part of your skin, your chicken, to have a feel of your seasoning. The next I'm going in with is the thyme. You might need to peel off the skin if you want to, but I prefer leaving it like that. And need some ginger. 2 cloves of ginger, of garlic rather. So get all of them out. Then I want to use it and rub all over each of the chicken. Sprinkle your pepper. I don't like touching this that much because it will hurt my hands. And of course, person, you can leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes for the spices to gradually soak into your chicken. But sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I don't usually leave it. What I like this to settle on its own, what I do is to transfer it into my pot and cook it a little without water. So what it does is that I transfer it to my cooking pan. What it does is that it brings out the water in the chicken and dry it back. You can see the water is coming out. The water in the chicken. I'm cooking this on a low heat. So this has helped the chicken to easily absorb your ingredients instead of waiting for that long hours, minutes, instead of waiting for that long minutes. The aroma is already amazing even at this point, but I'm still going to grill it for some minutes because I'm still going to use my chicken sauce on it. So I'm doing this on a low heat. It doesn't usually hot much. Water inside is completely dry. Looks like the water is completely dry. Now it's still remaining a little. Pat the oven pan dry. I want to add my chicken. I don't want it to be that sticky around it. So you can always add this later, but I like doing it this way. So add the chicken on the pan. The chicken is already looking great and very aromatic. So now I want to go into with my chicken sauce. In case you want to know how I prepare this chicken sauce or this sauce, you can use it for your chicken, you can use it for your fish, you can use it for your beef suya. I'll leave the link in the description button. It's just a quick video, you can simply look at it. So I like to flip over and grease the other part. Some Irish potato to have something to chew my chicken with. Slice it evenly so that they can get ready at the same time. So here comes my Irish potato. I always like having some of these chips when I'm having my chicken suya. So what I need for my Irish potato is just some sprinkle of salt. To add more flavor to your chicken, you might just have these onions around it. So now I've been heating my oven. It's time to transfer it into the oven and allow it to heat for 30 minutes. But first it will heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we flip it over. Then it heats for another 15 minutes. That is 30 minutes.